On the couch with Koel. Today I'm doing a role reversal. I'm playing doctor to television screen's most popular doctors, Dr. Ridhima, aka Jennifer Winget, and Dr. Siddhant Modi, aka Karan Wahi. I'm going to get right into the head, check their pulse, and keep the heart rate up. Siddhima, is that what I'm allowed to call you? Or Kajan, or Rajan, or Jenran, or what are you actually called?
Karan and Jennifer.
Like he was about to say something else.
Oh, you were saying something else?
I was about to say, because she knows a couple of names. No? So it's...
All these names are given to us by our fans. So we have these separate groups.
So Siddhima is Sid and Rid.
Yeah, I got that.
Jennifer is Jennifer and Karan.
Genius! Wow, thank you. Okay, today I'm the doctor, so give me a pulse.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Okay, just tell me what is the reason. Calm down and tell me what is the reason for your confusion.
Oh,
because what is this?
Can
Why
you see
can't
the pulse going?
We will meet you after 10 episodes. Season 3 or season 4.
Because there is no connection. Mind, heart, no connection. There's a circuit. The circuit's all blast and everything.
Are you talking as Jennifer? Are you talking as Ridhima now?
I've always talked as Ridhima.
Oh,
I always talk as Ridhima. So I can get away with it. You know, the confusion. I'm confused. So many people love me. What do I do?
Okay, so many people love you, but who do you love?
That's the confusion, darling. If I tell you who loves, then the show will get over, and I don't want that to happen. You see, I'm thinking about him, I'm thinking about Karan, and all the other people.
Okay, tell me now, as you know, doctor-patient relationship, just tell me this. What is the reason for you cheating on your husband?
I'm not cheating on him.
did?
No, I didn't cheat on him. I did not cheat
on you or
him.
not?
No.
I wasn't there. I didn't see what she did.
We saw in full detail.
I did not cheat on him. That Karan happened to come there. Arman happened to come there.
I am the tent wala.
And I left.
Setting boy. I set up everything. I bring breakfast for both of them. I set up.
And he leaves.
By the time I come back,
Well, I leave from there the moment I like. Oh,
it's all over.
So have you consummated your marriage?
I was trying to. That was exactly what I was going to do. After 2 marriages, not one.
Yeah, I'm leaving right now.
After 2 marriages and some 1 million, tries to come near her, and she's saying,
I'm not ready.
Like, she has a radar with her, 5 feet away. I'm not ready. So basically, I was trying to consummate my marriage.
Obviously, you didn't try hard enough.
No, I was just setting up the tent. I'm setting it.
For what? Setting it up for the other Karan?
Just the point.
For Dr. Arman. You obviously seem to have consummated with him.
Didn't consummate with him.
Oh, it didn't?
I was just trying to
Quite
say that.
seemed
No. We just came close, then he touches, then I'm like, then he is the pen. No. What am I doing? Oh my God.
Heart rate going up.
Yes. Then I leave from there.
Very smart.
I have
in in love with someone like that. Okay, like really in love. Are you in love, by the way, at the moment? You're single.
Yeah, absolutely.
You're also single.
Too many choices. No?
Too many choices.
In life.
Why are you single?
It's good to be single.
Really? What's good about it?
We'll talk off camera.
Oh. Coming back to the point. If you were desperately in love, both of you, if you were both desperately in love, like she's in love, Ridhima is in love with Arman, then, and you had to get married for some circumstances, let's say, arranged marriage, whatever, would you give up on the marriage and go to the follow your heart?
No.
You wouldn't?
No, I wouldn't.
My God.
I would stick by my marriage.
Why? And be unhappy for the rest of your life?
You're married, man, and eventually, even if you're not in love, you fall in love and you tend to like the person and the person likes you and, you build a new life.
People wouldn't get divorced if that was true.
But then I'm not people, I'm talking about me.
Yeah.
So I would stick by my marriage.
And you also?
Never. Why would you, I think, just end your marriage just for the sake of the fact that, you were in love with somebody else?
So what is going to happen now that the show is coming to an end? Are you going to be traumatized? Are you going to feel exhilarated? Are you going to be free?
It's going to be sad, honestly, I'm very, very sad and very upset that the show is getting over because we've had such an awesome time. I mean, though, on screen we keep crying and fighting and all that, off screen it's a laugh riot. It's an absolute,
It's maddening.
It's maddening. It's really maddening because we've worked with each other for so long now. The comfort level, the friendship, the fun, laughter, and you just know the other person so well because you see him every day.
And it becomes your
What's the
part of
most
the
annoying
family.
thing about her?
Oh yeah, I would like to know that. What is it?
there is nothing genuinely.
Okay, so what's the most fabulous thing about her?
It's just Jennifer, because whatever I've said or whatever I've till today I've shared with her, she's been truthful. If she's liked it, she said. She's laughed. She's not liked it, she said, hey, come on, please. So you know where you're right, you know where you're wrong with her. See, that's why she feels that I'm the brother. Hey.
Let's hear the most annoying thing about him.
Yeah,
I know what it is.
now. This guy sings the tackiest songs ever. He cracks sad jokes. Really, really sad, but sometimes they are good, okay?
Okay, let's
and he
hear
talks
one.
too much.
Sing a Hindi song in English. Come on, we'll join you.
Oh my God, what
He's like, you are my heaven, you are my desire.
What song is this?
God knows.
I see God in you, my friend, what to do? My head bows down in front of you, my friend, what to do? That's the way
I love this song, carry on.
see?
I love this, okay then.
Who are you waiting for? Oh darling, I am there.
Now I'm here with two doctors, you wouldn't know it from their attire right now.
That's why she's wearing it.
Yeah, that's why I'm wearing it. But in the break I just realized that you didn't want to be an actor, you wanted to be a cricketer. So?
I'm an actor by default. I've been into dramatics all my life, thanks to my mom. She's a vice principal, so she used to just throw me in everything. But never wanted to be an actor. Always wanted to be a cricketer. Played cricket, left cricket, and then I said, I'll just join dad's business. Then these guys, first show remix that I did, these guys came to Delhi, saw me, said, let's audition you. I said, for what? There's a TV show. I said, yeah, whatever. I said, please audition. So I went, I auditioned. 7 days or 8 days later, they called me. They said, you've been selected, so come to Bombay tomorrow. And everybody was shocked because my mom and dad never said no for me to go to Bombay. They said, okay, you want to do this? But the one thing they told me, they said, please do not leave this. Like you left cricket, please do not leave this. So.
And you're a child actress. So this is something that you always wanted to do, right?
Yeah, that's true. I started acting when I was 12, but I never really gave it a thought. I didn't really plan that this would be my career.
We have to take some tweets right now. Eternal Jeran, I don't know how to say all these names, but Eternal Jeran wants to know that will Rids ever confess that she loves her cute Dr. Sid?
She's confused.
At least not yet.
Yeah.
Samni wants to know, either one of you, what's worse for you? Friend turning into a lover or lover turning into a friend?
I think friend turning into lover.
Oh.
Because if it goes wrong, you lose on to the friendship, I think.
And I think it will be the other way around.
If a lover turns into a friend.
Yeah, because, you've shared something nice and precious, and you can't, if something goes wrong, it just doesn't happen again. It just doesn't work. So I think
lovers can't be friends, right?
They shouldn't be. Actually.
Yeah.
Sonaholic23 wants to know, if you were writers and could write the end of Dil Mil Gaye, what would it be and why? Each one of you.
Sid says, sorry Arman, rhythm was mine. Beep, beep, beep.
Ridhima would say, bye guys, I'm leaving both of you because I cannot handle it anymore. I am going away.
Oh, so that's not what happens.
No. Oh shit, I gave it out, man.
We gave it out, sorry.
Kushi0809 wants to know that, Jen, I know you love working with Wahi. I don't know how she knows this, but she knows this. But is it scary to work with Karan Singh Grover, who has a history of using women as sex objects?
Jesus Christ. Oh my God, no, not at all. He's my friend, We've been friends for 6 years. And, oh God, if I tell him this, he's going to burst out laughing.
I thought this was hysterical. I had to put this in.
I must tell him this.
Uses women as sex objects. Does that scare you?
I'm going to be so scared of him now. I think it's the other way around. He's scared of me every time he sees me, runs away.
Yeah, I didn't know this.
I also didn't
But he has quite a reputation. I mean, he's been around the block a few times, right?
He's a good looking guy.
Yeah.
He's a charmer.
Yeah.
Men get charmed by him.
And by the way,
Imagine what happens to women.
Let me give out one secret. This guy is absolutely in love with Karan. He's more than me in love with him.
In real life and on camera.
Here's the connection that I share with him.
I think
what is it about him?
I know there's something about him, I just feel, there's something very positive about him.
Yeah. Okay, let's look at what people have to ask.
Hey Sid, this is Utkasha here, and my question to you is, are you dating someone or would you go on a date with me?
Would you go out with your fan on a date?
Maybe, you know.
Look at that poor girl. You're breaking her heart.
No. She asked me. Would you go out? Would you go? Would you go
We
out?
won't listen to you anymore. What? Yeah.
No, I wasn't saying anything.
Can I complete, please? Please. I am answering the second girl's question. You know, would you go out with a fan? Okay, I will. I would go out on a date.
Have you been out with a fan?
Yeah, once.
And how was it?
It's sweet.
Okay, what I don't understand is that you've got all these fans, right? From like day one. All of you do. Why have you got no TRPs?
That's what we keep wondering. That's exactly what we keep wondering. You know, the show's been going on for 3 years. It had TRPs. It did very well. It's quite a popular show, but the kind of people that watch this show, they're not, you know, most of them are not based in India, so they watch it on the internet. It's been going on for 3 years.
But it's also a show where you guys play doctors.
Yeah.
But you're not practicing much medicine.
But that's the way I think the Indian television, because you know I just feel that we should be doing something like that. But everything is not in our hands. You know, everything is not according to what we think or we feel. It's a lot of other people.
And have you learned anything about being a doctor, like how to check the pulse and what medicine?
But they told us, you know, like when I came 1 week before, they actually told me, अच्छा ये ऐसे करते हैं, injection ऐसे लगाते हैं, ये ऐसे करते हैं.
कोई injection दिया है?
लगाने के लिए नहीं दिया, because I really don't want to like hurt someone. अरे अंदर टूट गई नीचे.
Hey Ridhima, don't get angry, huh? But you are very hot. You know, if you get the chance to date with both the guys, Arman and Sid, will you go for it?
Hasn't she been doing it so
Yeah,
far?
I think you've not been watching the show.
And she can't be angry. She is hot. I told you, she's a pataka. Like Billy is a pataka.
There's no doubt that Ridhima should go with Arman. There is absolutely.
I hate you.
Second one.
If I was so passionately in love with somebody for so many years, I wouldn't be a fool. I'd just go with him.
I hate you.
And I think that's what Ridhima and Arman's chemistry was about. They just love.
That's the thing.
I have something for you.
I'll shoot myself.
You'll kill me, really?
Oh, wait. She's back.
Kill me. Oh, I will go on a date with you. I will go on a date with you.
Take her out.
Yes, I will. Please call me.
So,
you have my number. I don't know how, but you have my number.
would you kill yourself or would you kill Arman?
No, I wouldn't let him.
I'll kill her, man. I'll keep Arman.
We're going to play a little game called Couch Confession. Yeah.
What is that for? That's like if I'm lying, he'll...
Okay, if she's lying, if you think she has a terrible answer, then yeah. Couch Confession. Success is
Dangerous. Temptation.
For me, everything.
What is the strangest thing you've ever put in your mouth?
What?
Cockroach.
Ew.
Ew, he's right.
Eaten.
Ew.
I've eaten.
No, I didn't
It's
put
yummy,
fish.
trust me. But initially I thought it's a little...
You should have gone on KK3.
Okay, next year.
Next question. What would you instantly fall in love with?
My little nephew.
Pretty face.
Your little nephew, pretty face. You get that, okay. Okay, the first word that comes to your mind without thinking when I say KSG. Friend.
Very good friend. Big brother.
Dil. Mil gaye.
मिल गए मेरे भी
Doctor.
खेले
Endings.
sad.
Okay, now enact the most romantic or the most ridiculous scene you both have done, or both.
I think there was just one scene till today that I really liked, that I thought was really sweet, and it just happened like a month back. Ridhima says, you know, please keep saying I love you to me all your life. This is the only 3 words. So
go for it.
तुम्हें पूरी जिंदगी क्या चाहिए मुझसे?
बस सिड, पूरी जिंदगी तुम यही 3 शब्द मुझसे बार-बार कहते रहना.
So I come close and I love you.
So cute, eh?
And I really like that scene.
तो एंग्री सीन दिखा दो अपना इम्प्रोवाइज करके.
6 महीने से बोल रहे हो रेडी नहीं करण ने भेजा था कॉकरोच. खुद नहीं आया कपड़ों में खिलाड़ी को कॉकरोच भेज दिया.
आया, सारे कपड़े उतार फेंक दिए उस कॉकरोच के पीछे.
और तुम सो गई.
हस्बैंड हुआ.
मैं तो अपने भी उतार दिए थे. अंडरकरंट दे रहा था तुम्हें. सो गई जाके. मुझे नींद आ रही है.
bored of getting with me.
Yes, finally. Thank you very much for saving me from boredom.
Oh, see? That's why we don't have a TRP.
Okay. Right, we're back to the game. You can have the thing now. Tell me about your first kiss in real life.
18. With girlfriend.
Sorry.
I was a very sweet boy. I thought I will never kiss a girl or I will never do anything wrong until unless I get married. And then my best friend, Raj Singh Garoda, told me one day saying, what if your wife's done everything? Then what will you do? And then I was
Enlightened. He was enlightened.
Better do everything.
Go ahead.
Me too.
She's died young.
I was just Mom, Dad, please don't watch this. 17, 18, and my first boyfriend. So
Sweet?
yeah,
Nice kiss? Awkward?
yeah. Now that when I think about it, it wasn't that great.
So on a leaving note, I want a song.
I will sing Dil Mil Gaye.
Yeah.
तुमसे खुशी, तुमसे हंसी, है तुम्हीं से जिंदगी, तारे हम जमीं पर ले आए, हम लाए हैं रोशनी, हम तो चले थे दोस्त बनने, जाने कहाँ दिल मिल गए.
To donate to Couch Cares, log on to headlinestoday.in or follow my tweets at Koel's Couch. On the Couch with Koel.